Wenzhou Zhenbang Electric Equipment Company Limited is founded in 2006. Our company focuses on production of electronic welding equipment for over a decade. Our major products are THT plug-in welding equipment, SMT mounting equipment, SMT peripheral equipment, as well as various assembly lines. We have served over 200,000 customers all over the world. With rich R&D experience and professional production capacity, Zhenbang is your best cooperative partner.
ZB500S is widely used in SMT producing to avoid increasing human labor cost and inhomogeneity. Centrifugal force is applied to agitate solder paste uniformly, evacuate bobbles, and improve welding quality. Centrifugal force caused by automatic solder paste agitation machine combined with force which is 45 degrees to revolution axis makes inner upfloating solder paste moving downwards uniformly. Generous appearance design of ZB500S is made by experienced technicians. International electronic and mechanical safety devices are applied in ZB500S. Humanized operating panel is friendly to operators who can learn and start using easily. Precise timer is added into system to provide better and precise time control. Uniform solder paste brings improvement of welding and producing efficiency because of its reduction of explosion during the welding process. Manipulate procedure. Release the buckles and open the door. Take out all the fittings, including elastic belt. Put elastic belt around solder paste bottle and then put the bottle into agitating tank with counterweight. Close the cover and lock buckles. Turn on ZB500S and set agitating time. Press the start button. Power off and take out solder paste bottle when time is up. Perfect uniform solder paste must be agitated for over 10 minutes in average. Warning: must not unlock buckles and open the cover during agitation. Adjust 4 foot pads to keep balance for stable working conditions. Must keep balance of the system during agitation. 2 bottles of solder paste can be agitated by replacing counterweight with another one.
When you choose a desk-type mounter, are you worried about poor mounting precision, not durable and stable of the equipment, complex procedure operation, and other problems? ZB3545TS chip mounter is equipped with servo system, ball screw, and linear sliding rail. It is featured by 4 stick head simultaneous mounting, visual calibration, dual mark positioning, and is also compatible with Yamaha feeder. The user-friendly operation system will enable you to grasp it quickly. This machine, equipped with a servo system of 160,000 high resolution, which can achieve high precision, repeated positioning, and low-speed stable operation. High-wind linear guideway and TBI ball screw is adopted on XY shaft. In order to keep long-term stable mounting, high-precision positioning, high load, and low abrasion must be the main feature of our machine. High-precision CCD industrial camera can adjust the deviation of reclaiming material and can easily handle with high precision and difficult mounting, such as 0402 SOT QFN BGA. Dual mark identification and positioning function can automatically correct PC deviation caused by irregular border placement, etc. Four-head rapid mounting and can complete small component and IC mixed mounting. It supports 30 types of Yamaha CL feeder, vibration feeder, and IC pallet to meet diversified mounting demand. It supports maximum mounting scope of 320 by 450 millimeters, which is suitable for most circuit board in the market. Besides, it can be upgraded for mounting 0.6 meters, 0.9 meters, and 1.2 meter LED light bars. With high-end configuration and skilled craftsmanship, it can not only easily mount small components such as 0402, 0603, but also can perfectly mount for all angles such as SOTIC. With built-in PC controller window system, ZB3545TS chip mounter has stable performance with easy operation. Simple designed software can be grasped rapidly with no need of experience. The operation system is divided into production module, edit module, and setting module. Program editing can be completed rapidly by taking PCB editing, mark editing, file editing, and feeder editing. You can go into production as soon as you set the vacuum value and adjust the speed. Auto match, one key start, instant mounting. Easy learning, easy understanding, and easy operation are always our design concept. ZB3545TS chip mounter also has the functions of source file conversion, online editing, vacuum detection, panel array, supplementary material processing, dual mark identification and positioning.
ZBRF 830 can meet different customers' demands of SMT soldering or solidification of different products with its compact, reasonable structure, and superior performance. Reflow soldering machine is used for welding PCBs in various fields, such as LED, toys, mobile, and etc. Quartz heating pipe is adopted in order to produce massive heat for solder melting. Reasonable heating structure, as figure shows, designed by experienced technicians, improves soldering efficiency. Here is the specifications of ZBRF series of reflow soldering machine. Zhengbang Automations designs 3 standards of reflow soldering machines to satisfy different scales of enterprises. Self-designed operating system shows 4 absolute advantages. Audible and visual alarm is applied in the system. It can custom delayed shutdown time. It's convenient for user to monitoring the temperature change in real time. It supports maximum 20 groups prescription date. Imported brand chip improve control temperature precision to 1% and produces stable performance. Supporting 20 groups of prescription data, it's convenient for a quick start, improving manufacturing efficiency. It's convenient for user to monitoring the temperature in real time, then set up the temperature according to solder paste specifications. Exceeding temperature, thermocouple failure could result in audible and visual alarm to protect equipment from damage. Press the Start button below the control screen. Turn to self-check mode. Switch on and off each heater and cooling fan to check if it is working normally or not. Normal scheduled self-check, including checking for heater power and cooling fans. Check every single power switch, one at a time. If any problems occur, stop the machine and contact technical support or after-sales service. Set temperature according to formula or specifications of products. Check the blue button to input set temperature or simply input from prescription formula page. Press Start button on screen to start heaters and cooling system. Wait until real temperatures reaches set temperature and put PCBs onto conveyor belt. Take soldered PCBs and stored. Press Shutdown button on screen. This is a sample paste of normal PCB with solder paste. Warning: please put on gloves to prevent getting burnt during operation. Set enough shutdown delay time for system to cool down. Please follow the instructions in case any problems and error may occur during operations. Any further information, consultant, please contact After Sales Hotline 400-692-6668. Thank you for your cooperation.